Hi, how are you doing, sir? You did a good job on the modeling itself. It looks good, but it won't work in a video game. The reason is, check that out. When I select it, you have 36,864 faces. 36,864 faces. Let me give you an example. In a first-person shooter, where you never have more than 4 or 5 characters on the screen, each character is never more than 15,000. So your TV is more than twice in weight, than a character. So if you have 10 of those TVs, you probably won't even be able to move on the screen. It will freeze the computer. Alright, so you can't do that. You need to optimize it. It needs to be something like that. Should be around maybe 300 faces. So huge difference. Let me show you something. Alright, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna click on edge, and every of those edges that do not change in shape, see it's all flat right here, you're gonna take them out. Actually, not that one. Let me redo that. Take that one, that one, that one out, 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 that one out. Alright, all these, let me select them, I'll be back. Alright, so look at everything that I selected. That's right, that many. Alright, and let's see that. And you're not clicking on delete on the keyboard, because if you do that, it's going to give you a non-manifold object. It's going to leave all the vertices everywhere. You need to go into the menu, edit mesh, delete edge and vertices. Alright, and it took a lot out, and your shape's still there. Alright, and you have some weird right here that I'm just getting rid of. Actually, that one could go also, that one could go also, that one could go also, and that one could go also. Okay, right here we have already dropped 11,000 faces, and we are just getting going. See, right here, there's no need for that. That's just way too much. Alright, you don't need them. The shape does not change. Alright, if the shape was going up and down like that, yes, every time it changes you have to, but your shape does not change, so you don't need that. So you can select all these. I'll be right back. Alright, I almost select them all, but I didn't. It will take a very long time, but you need to do that for next class, and then you just delete them, basically going right here. That's not gonna work. Oh, I selected too much, probably the front face with it. Oh yes, I did. That's just way too much. It's not gonna work out. Alright, you are not going to get an A with that. I'm sorry. That's just way too much. Same thing right here. You need to get rid of all those. You don't need it. There's no change at all. Alright, and to me it seems that you use the top one as the bottom one, which is fine if it was well done. And the same thing right here. This is just way too much. Alright, you need to cut everything just like I showed you, and that should be really 200 polygons. I can do that in 200 polygons. It will look as good, maybe probably better than what you did actually, by softening the edges after that. So you need to finalize that, redo that completely for the end of the week, optimize it this way, and texture it too. Thank you.